Hi, my name is Ivan Yeung. I'm the owner of I&I Automotive Modifications. We cater mostly to Japanese, European cars, American cars, and exotic cars. Right behind me, we got a 2021 Mercedes V-Class, and we equipped it with a KW V3 Leveling Coilovers. Majority of our customers come back to us asking for a better suspension set. Just like this Mercedes V-Class we have here. To be honest, this car is very big. It's very long. You will complain about its ride. The Philippines, we don't have good roads. Just a little bump, you can definitely feel it in the cabin. A little bit of shake left and right. You won't be able to sleep. People always ask us this, are you required to lower a car when you upgrade the suspension set? Well, with the leveling coilovers, no. You can retain the stock height. I personally always recommend maybe like a one-finger drop on this car. It gives you a better stance, but it also gives you better comfort on the road. I would definitely recommend the KW V3 Leveling Coilovers to all of you V-Class owners. It just made the ride 80% better, and I would say this confidently, you will be able to sleep now when you're a passenger on this car. It's a night and day difference. Make sure you get this installed professionally and trust only the experts when you purchase your KW set today.